Saturday, I just received the engine block, actually an hour ago. I washed it, just only to count it. The cylinders looks okay. They resurfaced the deck, looking good. I already count the deck, it's perfect straight. I'm double checking to don't have any headache, like always. I'm checking with a 200mm 0.02 with this one, better to be sure. Then I was checking the bore. The bore, it's not 86.5. I asked 86.5. What I mean by that? 86.500000. Okay, some in one end it's gonna be 3, 4 or something, but not 1000mm. So the number one cylinder, it's 8000mm smaller, 7000 number 2 and number 3, and 6000mm smaller than number 4. So what does mean that one? There is no problem with the piston rings because I fixed the gap on the piston ring. But before I fix the gap for the piston ring, I want to see the piston to the cylinder wall clearance. So that means if I judge that's tight, I have to give back the engine block and not remove, yes, a little bit of material. It's not too much. But because we are fixing custom pistons, and right now actually they are making the pistons for 86.5mm bore, I'm gonna tell them that I have some small difference on the cylinders. I don't want to be tight. I prefer to be a bit loose than to be tight. Don't have any headache. So that's the status. It's been washed. I washed only once. I didn't remove the pieces, the same thing what I did on the cylinder head before. I didn't remove anything from the casting or some other things, and if I make it upside down, you can see down what I mean. 1 second. So what I mean by that, I have to remove this from here. Just a second, stay there please. I'm talking about these imperfections here on the casting, like this here, and then there is, let us say here, where is the jet for the oil. Yeah, just a second, don't fall down. Alright, talking about here, has these pieces, and here from the machining. All this has to go away. Yeah, some small things, but this will gonna happen after when I receive the pistons. So first to see that the cylinders are okay, and all these things like this here, that comes away. Also this here, that goes away. This is a classic. This all the engines they have these things. But some of them, like this engine, they have more. Go figure out. Yeah. So all this need to go away to don't end up in a crankshaft main bearings or connector bearings or whatever. Yeah. So that's the status. It's okay. It's not 100%. It's 99.9% okay. I wish to be 86.5. I double check even the digital caliper that's not so accurate, it shows to me 86.49. So the same thing with the micrometer, same thing with the dial bore gauge. Yeah. When I'm gonna receive the pistons, I'm gonna check again the clearance to be 100% sure, to see how much clearance we have. And as I said, just in case, maybe I have to send it back to them to increase a little bit the cylinder wall, the cylinder, to make it bigger. Obviously there are some marks of sealant somewhere. I haven't